Imagine it's the Day of Judgment, and standing in front of you are your best friends, those who you trusted the most, those who you spent the most time with, those who you loved the most. There, standing before you. But on that day, they are your enemies. From being your closest friends to being your enemy. How could that be? At one point, you will die for them. But are you willing to risk Jahannam for them? These friends who took you away from the path of Islam are now standing before Allah, trying to ransom you away to save themselves. On that day, best friends will become enemies. Except for who? Except for those who were righteous, those who invited towards good, those who reminded you of Allah, those who truly loved you for the sake of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man is upon the religion of his friends, so be careful who you befriend." How many people that are in bad situations, if you ask them what got them into these situations, they'll say, "My friends." How many people doing the haram will say, "My friends taught me." Do we want to be of these people? Look at your environment and the people around you. Will you be enemies with them on the Day of Judgment? Will you regret having them as friends? The way Allah describes the people in Surah Al-Furqan.
وَيَوْمَ يَعَضُّ الظَّالِمُ عَلَى يَدَيْهِ يَقُولُ يَا لَيْتَنِي اتَّخَذْتُ مَعَ الرَّسُولِ سَبِيلًا يَا وَيْلَتَى لَيْتَنِي لَمْ أَتَّخِذْ فُلَانًا خَلِيلًا لَقَدْ أَضَلَّنِي عَنِ الذِّكْرِ بَعْدَ إِذْ جَاءَنِي وَكَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ لِلْإِنسَانِ خَذُولًا.
And on the day where the wrongdoers will be biting the nails off their fingertips, they will say, "Woe to me, I should have taken the path of the Prophet." They will say, "Woe to me, I wish I had not taken so and so as a friend. He turned me away from the remembrance of Allah when he came to me." And verily, the shaitan is the enemy of man.